Kanu. Abia Monisha. Tatabu Monday, February 2nd, 2026. Okay? I think I'm the Mark Unume. Today, Monday, I think I'm the Kenel. Those of you put on Tata, Ekene. One day, Anambra. Come on, Anupia. I am to go. No one days, Anambra. Mondays, I get mega shops. And I'm a German market. I'm going to main market to shop in a main market for the first time in 5 years on a Monday. The shops there are open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Finally, after 5 years, we can now shop at main market. I'm going there to buy a few things. I'm going to shop. I'm going to shop. I want to buy a shop.
Give that to Yellow. Give that to Yellow. That to Yellow.
That to Yellow. That to Mele. That to Mele. Nemo say. That to Mele. Why like I'm going to
Ozogo Bacha Ozogo or Bachago. Where are the Umutobo? Like I'm going to put all these useless people, especially these fools in abroad. What do they call themselves? American veterans of Igbo descent. Just a bunch of fools that will never tell you a single project they've accomplished in an Igbo. Still able all these criminals that were using this iPod from abroad. Of course, most of their leaders are abroad. It's an internet country. They will now go and call themselves a different name. These are the same people that started that nonsense Christian genocide. Yes. Calling Donald Trump to go and bomb your country. Tomorrow you want an Igbo man to be president. The same people were from America telling you not to come to the market. I can keep scores though. Now it's 18-0. 18-0. Professor Chukwumata Soludo 18. Umubingo 0. Have you, did any of you come out? Akozugo Bacha, the market Ozugo Kozubel. All these things because the government has been keeping quiet. Save all the governments of the southeast, the governors, they've been keeping quiet, treating you with kid blows, pretending as if they don't know how to solve this. Let us see a single one that will come out with all this security put in place. Lest we forget, kudos to the law enforcement and the military, the police, the army, the vigilante, Mudakodo, all of you, we salute you for a job well done. Let Onitsha return back to business. This evening, make everybody go there enjoy. In fact, we are pleading with the Governor Soludo. This weekend, Saturday night till Sunday morning, let there be a party at that Onitsha Chuba Ikbanzu Stadium. Yes, throw a party for them. Let people go there. And this is not many people will not understand what Soludo just did. For Onitsha to be liberated like this, Newi too. Now places like Ekulo, all these other places, will gradually open up. And if there is any single attack anywhere, they will know the people that did it. They've called themselves by name and they must be dealt with. Boy, neighbor, now for Umubingo, you can be crying in the comment section, it's your business. You got to go. You better if you can, it's your business, we don't care. It's back to business.